Hey guys, welcome back to Revolution XRC. Today we're going to take a look at one of the first projects I have lined up for 2023. Today we're going to take a look at unboxing the Axial Yeti Jr Can-Am Maverick. Now the Yeti Jr platform was first released as a 18th scale version of the 1/10th scale Yeti and the 1/10th scale Yeti trophy truck. They had a rock buggy and a trophy truck in Yeti Jr flavor, and they were pretty nice, but it didn't catch on quite as much as I think Axial thought it would. After discontinuing those original Yeti Juniors, a couple of years later, or a year or two later, they came out with the same platform in a different flavor, the side-by-side, the Can-Am Maverick. And overall, I think that this style actually fits this platform better. It makes it a little bit more interesting rather than just a miniaturized version of the original Yeti and Yeti trophy truck. I've been wanting one of these Can-Am versions of the Yeti Jr since they first came out, and I've actually had this for a while yet. I just never got around to opening it. So for 2023, I'm actually going to take this out, give it a whirl in stock form, and we'll go through some of the upgrade process that you can do on this 1/18th scale. Now, even though this Yeti Jr Can-Am Maverick has been out for a while, let's go ahead and still take a look at what is presented here. Now, this Yeti Jr does come as a complete RTR, which means it comes with everything you need to run it. It comes with the battery, the controller, and a charger. So you've got everything you need to run out of the box. As you can see here, it's a complete RTR. AA batteries, nickel metal hydride battery, and a USB charger. So this is it runs with a 2.4 gigahertz radio, and of course it's an 18th scale. Let's look at the top panel, see some of the features. Alright, so you can see it's an IFS rig, independent front suspension. It's got adjustable shocks. It's got a solid rear axle, and it's got these Maxxis Bighorn tires, so they are a licensed tire. And you can see here the body opens on the rear hinge, which is pretty cool. Alright, so it comes with a 37 turn brushed electric motor. It's a 380 size can, and it has a 15 tooth pinion. You can adjust the motor. I'm probably gonna change this to brushless, maybe. I'm gonna try it out. Comes with a Spectrum ESC receiver combo, so it's a 2-in-1. It does use the EC3 plug. It's proprietary. I'll probably change that out as well. Comes with a Metal Gear servo, which is nice. We'll see how long it lasts. It might be something that we may want to upgrade in the future. We'll take a look. Comes with a Spectrum STX2 transmitter here. It's got an adjustable battery tray. It comes with a 1300 milliamp nickel metal hydride battery. So once again, I am probably going to see if I can run LiPos instead. I don't know yet whether it's going to be a 2S or 3S. And here is the USB charger for the nickel metal hydride battery. Alright, let's take a look at the back of the package. And it's just more of a look at the rig. So let's go ahead and open this up. Upside down. Alright, here is the Spectrum STX2 radio. bare bones, pretty much analog. See here the dual rates, the trims, the reverse for throttle and steering. So I believe this is a 2-channel radio. I don't see a 3rd channel on here. Here is the USB charger. There. The EC3 plug for the battery. It doesn't come with the actual AC adapter, so you do need an AC adapter or whatever you want to plug this USB plug into. So there's that. Alright, here you've got the manual. The batteries for the remote. Cross wrench. And looks like some spare parts. I do see some dog bones here, so there's spare dog bones as well. I don't know if you guys can see that. Spare dog bones. Alright, so let's free this rig. Freedom! That Yeti graphic in there. Kind of cool. Alright, here's a look at the Yeti Jr Can-Am Maverick rig itself. Now, the suspension is really supple and soft. Not bad. Yeah, I like the suspension. It's really soft. You see the styling. Can-Am Maverick side-by-side styling. Pretty cool. See the trailing arms right here. Tires. Good look at that. Alright. 2 bobby pins, allows you to flip it open. You can see the battery's already in the rig. Here's the ESC receiver. It's got a heat sink on it, as well as a capacitor. Motor. Here you can see the way that the steering works. It's using the same kind of steering mechanism that the 110 Yeti uses. Basically, a steering servo is mounted here, connected to the bell crank system. See, right there. So, the links are plastic. I don't know if there are any upgraded links from Axial themselves or from any other third-party supplier, so that's something to kind of research and look into. The front axle is unlocked. You can see here the wheels are turning in opposite directions, so it's an unlocked diff. I may want to lock it, we'll see, or leave it unlocked, I don't know yet. Now you can see the front axle here, CVD on this side, to a dog bone cup on this side. The rear diff is also unlocked. You can see the wheels turning in opposite directions. So I'll definitely lock the rear. I'm pretty sure I'm going to lock the rear. They sell a locker for it. I think GPM sells one as well as Axial. I'll probably go with the Axial one. I've heard the GPM one doesn't fit as well, so definitely go with the Axial. This dog bone shaft right here is plastic, so this is also a part where I'll probably upgrade. Actually, I have one ready to go already. But all in all, I can't wait to start working on this rig. I'll give it a run in stock form first, have a little fun with it, and then we'll continue and start our upgrade series for this rig. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell for future updates on this Axial Yeti Jr Can-Am Maverick. Thanks for watching.